Welcome. Today's video will show you how to pin a post on X, the updated version of Twitter. Pinning a post is a great way to highlight your favorite tweet or an important announcement, keeping it right at the top of your profile for everyone to see. Let's jump right into the steps. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to pin your post. Once the app is open, head to the top left corner of the screen and tap on your profile picture. This will open a side menu. From there, select Profile to go straight to your X profile page. Now that you're on your profile, scroll through your posts and find the one you want to pin. It could be a post you're proud of, something you want your followers to see first, or maybe an update you want to keep at the top. Once you've found it, look for the three dots in the top right corner of that post. Tap on those three dots and a small menu will pop up with several options. From there, choose Pin to Profile. The app will ask you to confirm this action. When the confirmation message appears, simply tap Pin. And that's it. Your post is now pinned to the top of your profile. You can go back to your profile view and you'll see that pinned post right above all the others. It'll stay there until you decide to replace it or unpin it. If you ever want to unpin it, just tap the three dots again and select Unpin from Profile. Pinning posts is perfect for creators, businesses, or anyone who wants to make sure their most important content gets noticed first. It's a simple but powerful feature to help your profile stand out. Thanks for watching.